Hi, I was gifted this shower caddy. It is made by, I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It's to organize your bathroom, your shower. It is rust proof. There's no drilling. It holds big things. It says it's very easy to install, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and I will give you a peek of what we have here. In the box, we have a shower caddy. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like. Let me get it all unwrapped and then I will show you what the pieces look like. All right, looks like it comes with all these pieces. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, some hooks, a suction cup, and I'm not sure what these are, or clips. And an instruction manual. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together and then I'll give you a peek of what it looks like. I did want to show you that it comes with a couple of Allen wrenches and this little tiny wrench and the bolts. So I want you to see it comes with all the hardware necessary, so you don't have to have anything extra to put it together. Okay, I'm back. I was able to get it all put together. This is what it looks like assembled. These pieces are removable, so you don't have to have it. It's for a toothbrush, also for a bar of soap. I'm going to go ahead and install it into my shower and then put some things on it and let you see. It's just very simple on the install. We're just going to take I have a removable shower head. I'm just going to kind of hose it through there. Put that back up. Push it down on the shower head. All right, guys, I got it all installed in my shower. It looks really nice. Again, it's rust proof. It was very easy to put together. Let me put some stuff on it and I'll show you how it looks. Okay, guys, it holds all the things that I needed to. Some scrubs, some conditioner, some body washes. Again, you can put a bar of soap. You can put your toothbrushes, toothpaste in here. If you're looking for a shower caddy that looks very sleek and modern, I will give you a close-up of it. Hold on one second. Here is the shower caddy completely installed. It looks great. If you're looking for a good, nice, clean shower caddy that doesn't rust, that holds all the things that organized in your shower, I would definitely recommend grabbing you one of these. Thanks.